Hello everyone! While I am waiting for some hardware scans to go through for my computer, as it is exhibiting some issues, I'm going to do a little unboxing. This is from open. I don't want to shake the camera too much. This is from my phone wish list, sent by the very awesome Omni Otter. And it is a folding desktop phone stand. It can actually hold phones and iPads and all that sort of stuff. I have been wanting one of these to be able to hold up my phone, and also when needed I have a Supernote that I do a lot of my calendar stuff on, and it is very light and would fit on this very nicely. So I will be using this to organize my desk space a little bit more, which I am excited for. So thank you, Omni Otter, for grabbing this off my phone wish list. And yeah, I'll be using it right away.